Hello friends, welcome back. Let's learn some colors names. Black color, red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color. Today we will learn to write alphabets A, B, C, D and numbers 1 to 10. Let's write the alphabets first. A for aeroplane. A for apple. B for butterfly. B for beach. C for cap. C for country. D for dinosaur. D for dolphin. E for eggplant. E for elevator. F for family. F for friends. G for garden. G for goat. H for house. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for igloo. J for jar. J for jam. K for kiwi. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lychee. M for monkey. M for money. N for new. N for nest. O for octopus. O for orange. P for pineapple. P for pink. Q for question. Q for queen. R for robot. R for rainbow. S for school. S for scooter. T for train. T for tractor. U for uniform. U for university. V for vulture. V for village. W for watermelon. W for wind. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Y for yum. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Now let's write the numbers. Number 1, yellow color. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.